And welcome back. It was another hot one as we made our way through the day. Today is mostly sunny skies turn mostly cloudy. And as we made our way through later on to the afternoon, we had a thunderstorm develop just off to the south and east of North Platte, and then more isolated showers and thunderstorms into the evening. No severe weather, and we don't think that's going to be an issue as we make our way through the evening. Just some thunderstorm activity producing a good amount of moisture. So the official high today in North Platte did make it up to 104. Same thing in Thedford, near 100 at Ogallala and Imperial, mid to upper 90s. Broken Bow in Lexington and Valentine hit a high today of 109 degrees. That is about 15 degrees above where we should be this time of year. So we got some areas that are rain cooled, including North Platte currently at 78 degrees. Hyannis close to 80, so is Valentine. Broken Bow at 82, but still near 90 at Thedford and at Lexington. There's a look at your winds. So we had the southeast winds through the day today. You can see the frontal boundary making its way through. Behind it, more of a northwesterly wind, so we will cool off a little and dry out as we go through the day tomorrow. Winds are around 5 to 15 miles per hour with higher gusts in thunderstorms right now. We still have that red flag warning. This is basically from Lincoln and Frontier County and points off to the west. That does go until 4 a.m. Central Time tonight, so just be aware we do have some fire danger. But the good news is that some of us picked up a good amount of moisture, including a storm that hit here in North Platte. Still, the shower and thunderstorm activity is spotty, so most of us just have partly to mostly cloudy skies. Now, here's where we're seeing the worst of it in terms of the thunderstorm activity. Approaching Broken Bow south of Arnold, and there's one storm just off to the north of Lexington and off to the south of Curtis. So hit and miss showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of hours, and as we continue to lose the daytime heating, they will start to dissipate. This frontal boundary, this cold front, making its way through a pool of cool air to our north. That's going to take over, pushing that really warm high-pressure system out. But it's not going to take long before we're in another warm sector, and we will continue to warm up. So as we go through this evening, any storms dissipating, temperatures starting off tomorrow into the upper 60s, with highs tomorrow ranging from the upper 80s out east to the mid-90s, depending on where you are. And then we're going to have a couple days where we don't really have to worry about storm chances. Mostly sunny skies for your Wednesday and Thursday. By Thursday, we should be into the low, maybe some mid-90s out there as we will warm up. So here's the temperature outlook as we go. This is the second week of August now. Still think that we have a very good chance of being above average. Our average high has fallen to 89 this time of year, so it looks like 90s, maybe even close to 100. On tap again as we go through the second week of August, as we stay slightly dry. Most of the moisture across the country for the second week of August will be into the Rocky Mountain states. Now, let's take a look at what to expect as we go through time. There's the cool air to our north, and then the warm sector after Wednesday into Thursday. As we approach the weekend, temperatures into the 90s to near 100 again until this frontal boundary makes its way through, and that will increase the chances of moisture going through the weekend, and it will decrease our temperature. So let's get to that forecast as we make our way through the rest of the evening. Any showers and thunderstorms come to an end, and temperatures fall back into the mid to upper 60s for most of us. As we go through the day tomorrow, sunny skies, we're going to say not as warm, low to mid 90s today, nowhere near that 104 we hit today, and we add a couple more degrees to that for your Thursday with sunny skies. It'll be breezy and warm, those winds picking up to around 15 to 25 miles from a south-southeasterly direction. And then for Friday, up to 101, partly cloudy, slight chance of some showers and storms in the evening. Better chance on Saturday when we fall to 94, and we keep that 20% chance of showers and storms. Sunday and Monday, otherwise partly cloudy. Sunday is our coolest day at 87, then back into the low to mid 90s, turning sunny by next Tuesday. Kent?
It's going to be a while before we get rid of some of this heat.
Yeah, and it looks like it's going to be a warm month of August now, too.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. In Kentucky, the death toll from last week's flooding